Here is how to scan a QR code in CapCut. First, you might want to scan a CapCut QR code to sign into your CapCut on a new computer. Scanning the QR code is a convenient way to sign in without entering your email and password. So go ahead and open the official website of CapCut, which is CapCut.com, and select Try Online option, which is highlighted in black color beside download for free. And there you'll get the option to continue with your Gmail account, your TikTok account, your Facebook, and with CapCut Mobile, which is indicating the QR code. So go ahead and select it. Now this will give you the option to sign in with the QR code. You need to open the CapCut application on your phone first, then select the Me icon and tap on the three lines and then select Scan. You may need to scroll down to find it and allow CapCut to access your camera. Point to your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and confirm your sign in. And then you'll be instantly logged into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.